Your email could be exposed on the dark web without even knowing, but don't worry, there's an easy way to find out. Step 1. Type in Google search bar Have I Been Pwned? It's a free, trusted cybersecurity tool that checks if your email has appeared in data breaches. Step 2. Enter your email and click search. If your email is safe, it's awesome, but if it's been compromised, take an action now. Change your password immediately to prevent unauthorized access. Enable two-factor authentication for extra security. And here is a small bonus tip. Using a password manager helps you store source uncommon passwords for each account, keeping hackers out. Stay ahead of cyber threats. Don't wait to protect your digital identity.